Like, I'm literally eating kulfi for brunch. Do I look like someone who does meal prep? um, I tend to make stuff when I feel like it. I've done meal prep also, but I feel like it becomes too regimented. But the first thing you need to keep in mind is that I am solo. I don't have kids. I don't have to cater to anybody else's requirements. So it's just me. And for a long time, I think I've been in this state where I don't even know when I'm hungry. I was just eating. But lately, I think over the last few weeks, I've come to a point where I'm like, I feel hungry. So I tend to eat like one meal a day. And these days I'm eating salads. So I'll go to the supermarket, I'll pick up salad leaves, I'll get goat cheese, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, cherry tomatoes, red bell pepper, onions, garlic, and then I add quinoa, or I'll add beans like rajma, or I don't know, what is rajma called in English? Kidney beans, I think. Or like chole, chickpeas, or boiled eggs, or chop up a sausage or something like that. So like I enjoy eating salads, and I'll eat a little bit of a salad, and that's usually pretty much it. Like it just happens that I eat a meal a day. I wake up in the morning. Some days I haven't been drinking coffee for almost 6-7 months now. I did drink coffee last 2-3 days, I think. But otherwise, I don't even consume the milk, essentially. I'll have like black coffee, or I'll have some kind of green tea. And then I don't particularly feel like eating. And when I do feel like eating, then I will go and I will make a salad. I try to do as much fresh food as I can these days, instead of making stuff and putting it in the freezer, which is what I have done in the past. But I would end up making too much quantity. And then I would cook a lot over 3 days and have meals for like 2 weeks. But I wasn't really enjoying the frozen and then reheated food. I don't use a microwave. I would reheat the food on the gas stove. So that wasn't particularly very enjoyable for me. But now even if I spend 30-45 minutes chopping everything and making the salad and then eating it fresh, it's just something else. I really enjoy that. And I'll do Indian meals also. I'll cook rice, I'll cook dal, and I'll cook so much quantity that maybe it's 2 small meals in the same day. Or I'll make a aloo gobi, that's potato and cauliflower. I love aloo gobi. Or I'll make bhindi. But I try to make now where it's at the max 2 meals. I'm so used to making such a large quantity because I used to do a lot of meal prep earlier. But now I've just now gotten used to making only so much that I can just eat 1 or maybe 2 meals in that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And sometimes I'll have this craving like, oh my god, I need to eat a sausage. So I'll get it out of my freezer and I'll grill it, or cook it or whatever, and just eat a sausage. Then I also eat like chocolates and stuff, and I always have roasted salted cashews and roasted salted peanuts, and sometimes I'll chop onions and put lime and eat that as a snack. It's not really a snack, it's a whole meal. I'm pretty it depends on how I'm feeling. If I'm hungry, I'll go look what's in the fridge and I'll make something out of it. But for the first time in my life, I'm actually making really fresh stuff and eating it then and there. I hope that answers your question.